Good day, Mustangs. It's Monday, October 19th, 2020, and I'm Akshay Maharaj. In the headlines, FSA keeps moving up in the state school rankings. FSA senior volleyball player named first team Under Armour All-American. Unity Day is this Wednesday, and there's a new group on campus to check out. But first, please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for our top story. Once again, Fulton Science Academy Private School has made Niche.com top 10 for best private K-12 private schools in Georgia. FSA captured a 5th place spot this year, moving up 2 spots from last year, a 7th place showing. In their annual Best Schools ranking, Niche.com also recorded that FSA ranked 4th for best high school for STEM in Georgia, and for best college prep private high schools in Georgia. FSA also captured a 5th place ranking for most diverse private high schools in Georgia, for best private high schools in Georgia, and for best private K-12 schools in Georgia. For the first time ever, FSA has a senior athlete being named to an All-American team. Class of 2021 senior volleyball player Kalissa Green has been named to a first-team Under Armour All-American team. What does it mean to be an All-American? Well, it basically calls out Kalissa as one of the only 11 senior volleyball players in the country who is at the top of their game. In addition to recognizing her as the best senior high school volleyball player in the state of Georgia and one of the 11 best in the country. Let's take a look at FSA's mission statement. To deliver an educational framework designed to achieve the highest academic results and instill enduring strength of character by leveraging innovation and STEAM curriculums for college preparedness and lifelong student success. The month of October is National Bullying Prevention Month, and Unity Day, which is set for Wednesday the 21st, has been the signature event of this month-long campaign. To participate in Unity Day, individuals, schools, communities, and businesses wear or display orange to show support for students who have been bullied. This Wednesday, October 21st, is Unity Day, so wear orange to show your support against bullying. Remember, make it orange and make it end. Unite against bullying. Even with the hybrid model, FSA's club team selections are always expanding. A Technology Students Association chapter is opening up at FSA. This club is a national student organization created to help teams develop science, technology, engineering, math, and business. The club offers various opportunities for competitions, leadership, networking, and more. TSA teaches students valuable STEM concepts and allows students to participate in many opportunities, such as intracurricular activities, competitions, and more. Meeting time will be 7:30 a.m. on Thursdays. Please check the school-wide newsletter for more details. It's time to take a quick look at the vision of FSA. Fulton Science Academy Private School endeavors to be a nationally ranked and recognized school for pre-K through 12th grade, serving advanced and gifted student populations committed to academic success, civic responsibility, global citizenship, and high ethical values, within a safe environment that celebrates diversity and is nurtured by the collaborative efforts of its stakeholders and the broader community. According to the Weather Channel, it looks as if we will be seeing partly cloudy skies today, and intervals of clouds and sunshine tomorrow. The highs will be in the 70s today, as well as tomorrow, but get ready for a drop of 52 degrees on Wednesday, signaling that fall is definitely here. So it might be time to start grabbing that light jacket in the mornings. Roy T. Bennett is a thought leader. He loves sharing positive thoughts and creative insight and is the author of The Light in the Heart. Here's his outlook on the true meaning of optimism. Instead of worrying about what you cannot control, shift your energy to what you can create. Now for a laugh from the joke of the day. Why did the kid study in the airplane? Because he wanted a higher education. Before we go, it is our duty at Mustang News to help keep you safe. We do this by reminding you to always wash your hands, or use an alcohol-based sanitizer. Wear your mask and keep your distance when walking up and down the stairs, hallways, and inside the building when you are on campus. Before you leave home, check your temperatures, and if you are feeling sick, stay home. If in doubt about any symptom or procedure, check COVID updates on the FSA website, and please review FSA's protocol. Stay safe and healthy, Mustangs, and join us again on Wednesday for another edition of Mustang News. Starting this week, Mustang News will be on air 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So tune in, subscribe, and like us on YouTube. I'm Akshay Maharaj, reminding you to be the best you can be. And Mustangs, remember, we are always #stronger together.